Number 2 is MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer. When precision becomes an art form, enter the spectacular realm of the MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer, your portal to effortless, swift, and rock-solid 3D printing magic. This marvel of innovation catapults your creativity into hyperdrive, giving life to your visions with unmatched ease. Are you in a hurry to see your dreams come to life? The MakerBot Replicator Plus revs up the printing process by a blazing 30%, turning concept models into reality with lightning speed. Say hello to a 25% larger build volume, paving the way for grander creations that push the boundaries of your imagination. Adios, warping, and curling. With a colossal factory-leveled build plate and a revolutionary grip surface, this genius tames the unruly, ensuring your prints emerge flawlessly. Thanks to the Smart Extruder Plus, born from over 160,000 hours of testing, you're treated to an exquisite symphony of dependable and consistent performance, utilizing the excellence of MakerBot PLA material. Bells and whistles? You got it! The MakerBot Replicator Plus flaunts an LCD, an onboard camera that captures your creation's journey, and a few connection options: USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. Seamless 3D printing meets futuristic convenience. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.